Hello and welcome. This is Education News on Unilag TV. I am Eniola Onojuku. The University of Lagos Business School is now accepting applications from senior professionals for its Doctor of Business Administration program for the 2026 and 2027 academic session. The program runs for a minimum of 3 years with specializations in management and leadership, finance, and entrepreneurship. To qualify, applicants are expected to have a relevant master's degree with a minimum CGPA of 3.50, plus at least 10 years of senior level work experience. The application deadline is July 31st, 2026. Interviews for shortlisted candidates are scheduled for August 19th to 21st, and the program is expected to begin September 12th. Applications can be submitted through applications.unilag.edu.ng. A University of Lagos professor has addressed the debate over whether a husband can be legally punished for forcing sex on his wife, and what the law actually says. Professor Akeem Olajide Bello of the Department of Public Law spoke during his inaugural lecture at the J.F. Ade Ajayi Auditorium on Wednesday, April 22nd. He explained that under the criminal law of Lagos State, Section 260 exempts husbands from rape charges. However, he noted that a husband can still be prosecuted under Section 261 for sexual assault by penetration, an offense that carries life imprisonment and does not provide an exemption for marriage. The lecture, titled Law as an Instrument of Social Engineering, was the 12th inaugural lecture of the 2025-2026 academic session. The management of Obafemi Awolowo University, OAU, has cautioned the Students' Union against plans to protest over what students describe as a lingering transportation crisis on campus. In a statement issued on Monday, the university spokesperson, Abiodun Olariwaju, said the new campus transportation system was adopted with safety, efficiency, and sustainability in mind. Management also said long queues during peak periods are a common way to manage heavy demand and urged students to remain patient, warning against what it described as attempts by individuals or groups to exploit the situation. The university's response follows earlier indications from the Students' Union that a protest was being considered over the transport situation. The federal government is set to meet the leadership of SSANU and NASU on Wednesday, April 29th, 2026. Amid renewed tension over university workers' pay. The meeting comes as the unions maintain a strike threat tied to a dispute over a proposed 30% pay rise for non-academic staff in federal universities, polytechnics, and colleges of education. The unions say they will attend the meeting, but insist their ultimatum remains in place. They are also calling for the withdrawal of a letter circulating on social media about the pay rise, arguing that negotiations are still ongoing through a committee chaired by Dr. Yayale Ahmed. We'll be watching for the outcome of Wednesday's meeting and any decisions that may affect campus operations. That's it on Unilag TV News for today. For more updates on other education developments, follow us across all social media platforms at Unilag on TV. I am Eniola Onojuku. Thanks for watching.